So, for some reason, I don't know why, but everybody's over there, as you can see. But also, for some reason, I found a Kershaw and a cedar tree. It's just weird. And then we went to this swamp area where it normally is a swamp, and there's no water. Like, are you fucking serious? Are you absolutely fucking serious? Hold on. There's a what? Hold on. Let's go. There's a what?
A buck. 4-point buck. Probably a 6-point buck.
Look at that.
See him? Right there?
There's a deer.
Yeah.
Deer.
A female. No, it's a male deer.
Male deer.
No, I've seen a couple females.
Surprisingly, at the nature park.
Not buck.
A male deer. We just walked past it. Look at this. Other people. More people.
No, you won't. Here you go.
Scott. Sam's grandma. Vincent. Sam's mother. Sam's grandfather. And little Sam right over there.
We're gonna turn. I think it goes in a circle.
And then here's me.
That was cool, huh?
Oh,
it's beautiful back here.
because it goes in a circle, right, Scott?
Yeah, it goes in a
Okay.
circle, but then it also goes that way
where
towards
else?
the train. See it? You hear the train?
Look
at this.
In a circle.
This is
Yeah, we're gonna do the circle around.
beautiful.
Too
Beautiful.
late.
Look at that.
Just as
Look
far
at this.
to
Look
go
at this. Hey,
way
look at this.
around
There's a
than it
cross
is
on the
to turn
tree.
around.
Look, there's a cross on the tree.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. There's a cross on the tree. Cool. Sam, what are you doing? You're on video.
At the ends of the leaves?
Yeah.
Hey,
Holly?
Yep.
No.
Well, that's what I
My
told
stick.
you.
My stick. It's my stick.
Sam. No. Let
Sam?
go, Samuel. What did
Sam?
I do? Because it's not yours.
It's mine.
Find your own stick.
This is my stick. Good for bashing trees like this.
You're gonna put on it. Be careful with that.
Sorry. Road for some reason has bumps. Really weird.
It's like a virtual
Bump.
thing.
Vincent, what are you doing?
It's Pokemon Go in it.
They're looking for virtual.
Who cares about Pokemon?
virtual
Dude, there's like 600 of them over here.
And then you grab it with your phone, and then you get points.
Yeah, it's just like.
And you
we're
bet
playing.
it's basically Pokemon, but what Pokemon you getting?
You get him?
What Pokemon did you get?
I know some bird.
Let me see the bird. Let me see the bird.
Can I see it?
Yeah, let me see the bird.
No, it went off the string.
Oh, it did? Once you grabbed it? Yeah.
Let me see which one it is.
I know, it went off the screen, but it was like a bird here.
Why would it go off the screen?
Because that's how it works. That one.
I'm going back. Sam,
Sam?
we couldn't reach anymore. They were all too high.
Yeah.
We couldn't.
Yeah.
reach.
there's other ones down below. Tree
Another
match.
apple tree right over by where we parked the cars.
Another tree. Time for tree bash. And another tree. Tree bash. And one last tree. Tree bash. Tree bash. Tree bash. Best damn. Tree bash.
You have Pokemon Go?
No, I don't.
You don't get lost, but
You better not.
Stick bash. Watch out.
Sam.
ooh, a stick! Look behind you, Smack!
No, you're not. Stopping power of the stick. Oh, you alright? You alright? Stopping power of the stick. Stop. stopping power of the stick. My stick! Skateboarding! Gun versus stick. I don't know how I'm winning. How am I winning? Dead. This is fun. This is fun.
I got one.
You got one. I got one. A wild spaghetto. I got a spaghetto. Bird right here.
Hey, the back can come and get me. Big bat. Beat that bed.
Wild spaghetto.
Get Pokemon! Get Pokemon! Get Pokemon! Get Pokemon! Get Pokemon!
Poke 'em with that stick.
No, don't.
No.
No stick play.
They're a wild one.
Get Pokemon!
Oh yeah, where they're like.
They're edible.
Pokemon
Yeah,
go.
they are edible.
Good.
They're. I think these are Marionberries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Weren't they?
What's that little thing?
Well, they're not. I don't believe they're raspberries.
It was something that I can't remember the name of it, but they are edible.
They're not boysenberries.
No, they're not boysenberry.
There's Marionberries around here too.
Are there any? How do you know if there's any more?
Oh, they'll pop up. You'll see them on the trail. I guess there's a bunch of them in here stacked up.
Wait, what's white? Can't find the tree. Oh, hold on.
Well, this has been the vlogging adventure of the stick. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Watch me!